Right, so we've had a little bit of rain these past few days, and I just thought I'd show you where we've been fishing. Yeah, that to think we were like maybe like out maybe right by the tip of my finger. We were fishing there, and now it's just it. You can't even step onto the stones. It's that wet. So that was where Ethan went to later on. He was fishing about there. A wild Ethan has appeared. Yesterday that was just flowing with water. Just like the main video, I'm not going to record going down because it's probably going to be very stable. This is completely different. When there was sand right along there, now it's all just clumped up. Just get to it. I don't think I can get down there anymore. And there's a bunch of puddles. Sand is very sinking. That is very shit. Almost going for a swim.